All right, welcome back to DeLorean Rental. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at the LEGO Champions, Speed Champions, Back to the Future DeLorean set. This has been out for a couple months, oddly enough. A good friend of my wife and I's, Adam, sent me this in the mail. I believe it was yesterday, the day before. So thank you, Adam. He's like, I figured you already had this, but I saw it and I had to buy it for you, I had to send it to you. So Adam, thank you. I did not own this. I've been wanting to buy it. I've just been extremely busy and it's kind of just been one of those, oh yeah, I've obviously got a lot of DeLorean things that I own. Did not have this one. So thank you, Adam. This is awesome. So we are going to do an unboxing. We're gonna unbox it, put it together, give you guys a short review. So without further ado, I think this thing opens here. Yeah, there's a little tab here that you punch out, it looks like. Let's open the box. Let's see what we have here. We've got quite the manual. Quite the manual. It is 100 and some pages. 127, 8, 9, 30. Look at that. 133 pages to get this beautiful car together. So we're gonna need that. So we'll set that aside. Definitely gonna need those. The good thing about LEGO is they have everything marked. The chassis, I need that as well. 3, 1, that might be everything. Is there anything else in there? Oh yes. No build would be complete without decals, right? You're gonna need some decals. So, we've got all of this. I'm gonna spare you the details of me building this because it's probably gonna take a good half hour to an hour. Get this put together, and we'll come back and do a review. Let's go. All right, well, we are now finished. There she is in all her glory. I think that they did a good job. Again, I love the touches with the DMC, simulating the lights. This is the part 1. They actually have separate parts for a part 2 car if you want that. They have the Mr. Fusion and whatnot. I think they could have done a better job with the overall, the back of the car. They could have made it a little bit easier and added some more touches or features like on the movie car. Vents are fantastic. They also have the part 2 license plate, the barcode license plate. Maybe if it can, there you go. They did a good job though. I mean, for what it is, right? It's a LEGO. They did a good job. And you also get Marty and Doc. Doc's got his wrench. The top of this does come off as well of the car. You can actually put them inside of the car. If you like, this pops right off. As you can see on the box there, they are riding in style. So yeah, I think they did a good job. The only other issues maybe with this is it's pictures. Some of the items are they take a little bit longer to put in or to get together. And if they could have added some descriptions inside the booklet, I think that would have been a little better. I'll go to this. I do like on page 88 how they, if I can find it, or it was somewhere around here. Yeah, they had, let me see if I can find it. They actually had there you go, 88, like as if it was like 88 miles per hour. That was cool that they had that in there. I thought that, but overall, listen, this is, it's meant for children for the most part, ages 9 and up. So, yeah, I think for anybody that's a Back to the Future fan, this is fantastic. It's a nice little thing to have on your mantle and to keep and to have. And yeah, this is relatively new. I think it's been out a couple months now. And it was fun to put together. It took about an hour. So yeah, it'll go on my mantle with my other Back to the Future items. I'll make sure I get Doc and Marty put in the car. And from there, we'll see how it looks on the mantle. So appreciate everybody watching. If you want to pick this up, it is available online and in stores. It is the LEGO Speed Champions Back to the Future DeLorean Time Machine. So appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe button. Leave us a comment down below. Do you own this? Have you put it together yet? What did you think about it? How long did it take you? And yeah, what are some of the improvements you think that they could have made on this? But I think overall for the money, it's a great item to have. We'll see you on the next episode.